Hi everybody. If you've ever struggled with having hard water stains in a toilet and have a hard time getting those stains out, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial that will help you get rid of these stubborn stains. First thing we're going to do is put on a pair of gloves and grab a cup because we first need to drain this water. Alright, so I went ahead and got a cup. I'm going to just drain this water, nothing fancy, but go ahead and drain this water until you have a lower water level so we can get access to those stains. Okay, now that I have my water level down, went ahead and grabbed a sponge. I like to get these where you have the hard side on one and the soft on the other. And this I found to be really helpful. It's strong, this Barkeeper's Friend Cleanser. It comes in a powder and a liquid. I like the powder better. Went ahead and put some of that on my sponge here. It is pretty strong, so I would highly recommend putting on some gloves. And just go ahead and start applying that here. So apply it like this and then begin scrubbing. It does take a little bit of elbow grease, so I'm going to scrub for a little bit and then come back and show you what it looks like once I've put in a little elbow grease. Be right back. All right, I'm back. I scrubbed for probably about a good 2 to 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and flush and see the grand reveal. Stains are gone. Anyway, hope you found this useful. This has been a lifesaver for me. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.